Look, if you drive your car every single day, you probably think your system is safe. You're wrong. Dead wrong. If you leave this one button on your dashboard in the wrong position when you park overnight, you are leaving a literal open-door invitation for pests to trash your dashboard and completely wreck your AC. Look at this. This isn't just dirt. This is an invitation. One button, right on your dash. You park it for the night, leave that intake open to the outside world, and you've just built a bridge right into your dashboard. Midnight hits. The engine block is still warm. They crawl up the tires, slip past the wiper linkages, and drop straight into the dark. They don't just build a home in there. They tear your insulation to pieces to do it. And don't look at me like your $100,000 luxury cruiser is immune. Those smart computers? They're programmed to override you. 20 minutes after you walk away, the software cracks that flap open just to breathe. A hidden digital trapdoor while you sleep. Here's the part they don't tell you at the dealership. When this core is choked with rat droppings and mold, you turn that key and your fan blasts that toxic rot straight into your lungs. You think it's seasonal allergies? You think it's random asthma? Wake up. It's a healthcare bill waiting to strip your wallet. And if the air doesn't break you, the mechanic will. Look at this mess. One single chewed communication wire on a modern harness, and your whole car drops into limp mode. To fix a ruined evaporator coil, we strip the interior to the bare metal. Thousands in pure labor. Gone. All because the core was choked, the AC was suffocating, and your engine was burning twice the fuel just to stay cool. The defense takes 2 seconds and costs absolutely nothing. Make it a hard habit. Every single time you park your car for the night, slide that mechanical HVAC lever completely into recirculation mode. It slams that intake trapdoor shut, seals the vents, and completely locks out the pests. And if your modern machine has an automatic system that overrides you, do not take risks. Get a local mechanic to install a custom stainless steel mesh guard over your windshield cowl intake. Safe-proof your machine tonight. Protect your lungs, save your hard-earned cash, and hit subscribe for more real-world, money-saving car tips.